business, why you? This sound like Argentina. 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 Had to fix my demands. They don't want me breathing. Still I roll like God and Jesus. Got on 3 Jesus pieces looking like Jay-Z and Yeezy. I'm so far from conceited, but how can I be a fake? I hate it to my wrist on like I'm Ben 10. These rappers think they doing something, I'm not a fan. I told my dad today, he said it's all pretend. I got back in my bag, now I got no friends. Yeah, cleaned up my bag, it's satisfaction. Now I'm licking my fingers. I got back in the kitchen. If you step to me, you ignorant, it's not worth the worship. I'm out here doing business while you ain't getting shit.